G'day, my name's Mel, welcome to my world, and at the moment I'm building a stealthy, off-grid, go anywhere, sleep anywhere campervan. And if you're new to my channel, I'll just give you a quick update. I've insulated it, fully insulated, fully vapour barriered, if that's the right word, and I've put cladding up on the roof, cladding down this side, and on this side I've got plywood just painted white. Now the reason I've only painted that white is because there's going to be a cupboard up here going right along the top, and then there'll be a little gap and then my bed, so you're not really going to see much of that wall anyway. I should probably decorate that with pictures and stuff and maybe some hooks and things. The only electrics on this side are going to be about here. I'll probably put a charge socket, but the wires for that will come from below and up, so there's going to be no wiring on that side at all, so I can screw and drill and do what I like. And on this side all the wiring is at the top, the channel there, all the wiring behind there is for the lights, my ceiling fan, and that's it really up top. Now the wiring at the bottom is going to be underneath the work surface, and the reason for that is because this wall then will be free from any wires, and I can drill, I can stick a mirror up there, put hooks up, pictures, without worrying about rupturing any wires or any pipe work. So all the wiring on this side will be underneath my workbench. The wires for my workbench. I'm used to using a workshop. My work surface, all the electrics will be underneath. Things like heater, fridge, water pump, split charge relay, leisure battery, it'll all be underneath the work surface. So this panel will be completely free of any wires, and I can drill it, screw it, put stuff up later on in the future as when I please, and move it all around without worrying about rupturing wires or pipes. That's the idea anyway, that's the plan, the master plan. Not that I've got one, but that's the idea behind that. That's why all my wires are at the top and all my wires are at the bottom, leave the middle free to chop and change things around as and when I please. There you go. Because sometimes when you build a van, you know, you might put something somewhere and think, oh, it's all right there, and then 2 or 3 days later or a week later you might think actually it'd be better over there, and then so you can move stuff about. That's just the way I like to do it. It gives you that freedom. There you go, that's the progress so far. There you go, and if you are a regular viewer, thank you very much, especially if you're subscribing, because I'm trying to get 1,000 subs by the end of the year, by Christmas, hopefully, fingers crossed. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Right, I'm going to crack on. Enough of my jibber jabber. I need to do this. Yeah, that's all I need to do. I need to do this, and then I can start my bed base. That's when the fun begins. Because once I've done my bed base, I can start working out where my cupboards are going to go. But before I work out where my cupboards are going to go, I need my heater. My heater still hasn't arrived yet. I bought one of these cheap heaters off eBay from China, but it said on the listing that they were based in Liverpool. That was a little bit of a fib. Oh, hang on, the van just went past. It could be it. That'd be funny, wouldn't it? It's DHL. I'll keep the camera rolling just in case that is, because that'd be really funny. We'll see. That'd be classic, wouldn't it? Let's see if he comes to me. Let's have a look. Is he going to poke his head around the corner? The suspense. Da-da. Da-da. Try to have a look, see where he's going. Be easy, wouldn't it? Could be, isn't it? It's DHL. Is he coming? Oh, it looks like he's going somewhere else. Oh, he's going to a neighbour. That's disappointing, isn't it? It's literally got a tiny little parcel like that. Bloody great van, a little parcel. A bit like this van. Great big van, a little nut. Oh well. So my heater hasn't arrived yet. And I need to get a fridge yet as well, so I can work out the cupboard sizes and stuff underneath. So I'm still waiting for those 2 things. But the fridge I'll probably get from Camping International. And yeah, the heater I'm not too bothered about really. Actually, I'm going to send him a stern letter in a minute. I'm going to get on my laptop and write him a letter. Yeah, I'm going to do that now. As soon as I finish recording this, I'm going to get on eBay, send a letter. Wait, where's my heater? And then I'm going to finish this off. Like I say, start in bed. I'll update you in a mo. Now, not being one that likes to blow my own trumpet, but I just want to show you how well this has turned out. And this is the main reason I start in the centre of the ceiling and work outwards. So when you get to the wall, when the ceiling meets the wall, you get a nice straight edge. I'll just demonstrate that now. It's turned out really well. There you go. Look how nice and straight that is. I'll step back a bit so you can see. And that is why I like to start in the centre and work out. And as long as you get your centre line spot on, that's the result you get. There you go. I'm really chuffed with that. It's worked out really well. So hopefully that answers everyone's questions. Why start in the centre and work outwards? That's the reason why. Well, it's that time of day again. It's pitch black outside and it's only 5 o'clock. Can you believe how dark it is? 5 o'clock. Take a look at that. It's pitch black. I'm so glad I put my lights up. I've got my leisure battery. I've only connected it up on a bucket. Look, it's not very professional, is it, Mel? Oh no, I can hear you all screaming out. What? That's not professional. Right, so my phone's been going crazy all day with comments and messages via YouTube. I really appreciate it. I will answer everyone as soon as I've uploaded this video. And I want to say a special thank you to, I've read some of the messages, to Mark and Campervan Dog. Between the pair of you, you've really saved me a massive headache. And yeah, I appreciate it, really appreciate your comments and your messages. And I'm so glad there was no pistols at dawn. So thank you to the pair of you, I appreciate it. Right, so tip of the day. Let's get to the tip of the day. Most people know what these are. This is a hole saw, and I use this hole saw to make the holes for my fitted lights in the ceiling. Now when you use a hole saw, you normally end up with something like this left over. That's the bit that comes out. Don't throw it away, because it's very useful for tracing stuff. Now I'm going to flip my camera around just to show you. Right, so you've got you get your pen. This is from Barclays, other banks are available. And what you do, you put your pen through the middle like that. Then when you want to find a contour like I've done here all the way down, you simply put your pen, it's a bit difficult to do one-handed, the disc against the body of the van and scroll it down, and then the pen follows the contour of your van and you will end up with a nice line. I'll come around this side just like I did here. Oh god, I'm falling over. It's all going wrong. Oh dear. So there you go. So that line there, look, so you put your pen and your disc and then you draw a line like that. There's your tip of the day. The other tip is don't trip over wood in your van. So there you are. That's what I use those little round discs for. I'll never throw them away. I'll clean up the edges first before I use it. But it's a nice simple little idea, and I've never seen anyone else do that, so I thought I'd just share that with you. Like I say, it's my way of giving back. I've learnt so much from YouTube, and the whole point of my channel really is to try and give some of that knowledge back, if that makes any sense. Anyway, I'm off, I'm hungry, I'm going to go get something to eat, a shower and all that good stuff. So if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to see more amazing tips and tricks just like that one, it's a bit debatable whether it was amazing, but there you go, it might help someone, eh? If it does help someone, don't forget to leave a comment, and if you want to see more, like I say, hit the notification bell and you won't miss a thing.